Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to factory reset Windows 11. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your settings, search here settings and open it up, and in find a setting, just write here reset and click on this first option named as reset this PC. And in recovery options, you guys can see the option of reset PC. Please make sure before doing your PC reset that after resetting your PC, your each and every folder, file, video, photos, each and everything will be deleted, and your Windows will be also deleted. So make sure that you guys are confirmed to reset your PC. So after resetting, after clicking on reset PC, your PC will be resetted, your all files will be deleted, and that's how you guys can easily factory reset Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.